little dicky birds sat on a wall. One named Peter, one named Paul. Fly away, Peter, fly away, Paul. Come back, Peter, come back, Paul. Two little dicky birds sat on a gate. One named Early, one named Late. Fly away early, fly away late. Come back early, come back late. Where is late? Come back late. Two little dicky birds sat on a pole. One named Fast, one named Slow. Fly away fast, fly away slow. Come back fast, come back slow. Two little dicky birds sat on a gate. One named Wobbly, one named Straight. Fly away Wobbly, fly away straight. Come back Wobbly, come back straight. Two little dicky birds fly in the sky. One named Low, one named High. Fly away low, fly away high. Come back low, come back high.